Hey there, I'm back. Ever Pritchett with life insurance today. And I have been away for the past 2 months, and I know you've been missing me. I've been missing you too. But it's so good to be back. I'll get into what I was doing this summer, maybe in some future episodes. But man, I love the insurance industry. To be able to have the kind of summer that I did with my family, that's why we do what we do. But as I was doing around this summer, as I was talking to family and friends, and whenever I got back, I was talking with some clients, and I had someone say, "You're probably clicking on this because you saw the title, right?" I had someone say this to me on the phone. Listen in.
Hey Edward, I need to ask you something. What does a life insurance agent do?
Okay, maybe you haven't gotten that question in that exact way. He can't help me up alarm, right? But it's a question that our clients are asking, and here's what I've come to find out: it's a question that you, as a life insurance agent, especially if you're not achieving what you want to achieve in this industry, you're asking yourself that question all the time. That's why you keep jumping from doing this and doing that and trying this and going over there. And am I gonna do Medicare? Am I gonna do health? Am I gonna do life? Am I gonna do critical illness and disability? So what is it that a life insurance agent, what do you do? Well, as I thought about that when I got that question, I was prepared. Because one of the key things to have success in anything that you decide to do is to have clarity in what you do. Have clarity in your goals, have clarity in your actions, have clarity in your calendar, have clarity with what path you're on. And so when I think about what does a life insurance agent do, I think about three time frames: past, present, and future. And what a life insurance agent does is, number one, and this is the one that's easy for all of us, we protect the future. Number two, we secure the past. And number three, we maximize the present. And I want to hit on those things just real quickly. I'm going to try to be a little bit more brief with our life insurance today sections here, because I know you don't have a lot of time and you're out there pushing, you're out there grinding, you're trying to make the most of your business right now. But I want to be able to give you these things because if you think on them, if you work on these and get better, your business is going to improve. So let's break these down. We protect the future, we maximize the present, and we secure the past. And I reverse the order, mixing it up a little bit. I want you to really think about those things because it has to mean something to you. If it means something to you, it's going to mean something to your clients as you're able to tell them with clarity, this is what I'm here to do for you. Okay? So let's talk about the past first. What do we mean by secure the past? Securing the past, this is that idea that people have come before you. If you have a family, right? If you're a mom, dad, you have some kids, guess what? Those kids probably had a grandparent. They probably had some aunts and uncles. Like, there's a past to all of our family trees, right? Sometimes that past is fantastic. You know that person who came from money, right? You know that person, and you're a little bit jealous of them. Let's all be honest, right? If you know someone who, man, their father, their grandfather, their great-grandfather set the family up, and now, oh man, they live the easy life. Everything just works for them. And you could say, but I don't want that. Forge a path for myself and do it. I got it. But would life have been a little bit simpler with some of the things that you wanted to be able to do, which your options have been different if the past had been secure? And that's what we get to do as life insurance agents. So we secure that past legacy that someone has tried to build, or if we're the ones building it, if it's our clients that are building it, we're making sure that they're securing the past for their family's future. Let's talk about the future. Again, another easy one. One word: beneficiaries. We know it. We know what beneficiaries mean. We know that we're putting down a beneficiary. That's who's going to be getting the proceeds of this life insurance policy, right? But guess what? You and your clients have beneficiaries right now. Do you work a job? Does your client work a job? Do you make an income? Does that income be able to feed someone? Does that go to clothes, to put a roof over someone's head? Those are your beneficiaries, whether you have a life insurance policy or not. If you're not clear about that, how can you make that clear to your clients? Guys, money is a resource. That's all it is. Money allows you to do the things that you need to do in a life insurance policy. The proceeds that we get, the money that comes if a life insurance policy has to be used, whether that's for a death benefit or for a living benefit, that goes to take care of those beneficiaries when you don't have the means to do so yourself. And if we can get clear on that for ourselves, then we can make that more clear as we have those conversations with our clients. The other thing about the future is life insurance allows us, we as agents, we're able to help our clients get free from worry. And what do I mean by that? A lot of people push hard and do things that they shouldn't maybe do because they know if something happens to them, their friend, family is up the creek without a paddle. When they have life insurance, at least they can think about it for a second. That they can say, do I need to do this? I've protected my family. We're building wealth. We have cash value growth. Do I need to take this extra risk here? Like, it gives them those options. They don't have to worry as much. They don't have to push as much. And some might say, well, no, we want people to push. Yes, but we want them to make a decision, a choice, not be coerced because they haven't made a financial decision in the moment and they're thinking about the future. They're worried, right? You don't make good decisions when that's part of your decision-making process. Life insurance helps to open that up and frees them from those final words. Lastly, let's talk about the present, because a lot of people miss this. We miss that life insurance is for the present. It helps to maximize the present. If you're in this industry and you're not learning about how index universal life products, participating whole life products, and annuities can help your clients maximize their income today, protected from downside loss, right? And have upside potential. You want the floor to be zero. You want the floor to be zero. You don't want a certain portion of your assets to ever have to worry that it's gonna go negative. If it's in the stock market, if it's in gold, if it's in Bitcoin, there's gonna be a time that it's gonna go negative. So what can we do to help our clients protect against that? We can use the products that are available to us and make sure that at least a portion, we're not saying put 100% of what you have into this life insurance policy and never worry about losing money again. Right? If they're able to take on some risk and do that, great. But does it need to be with 100% of what they're investing with? Right? We get the ability to help them maximize the growth that they're wanting to see for their present, and there's some of those fun levers that they can deploy, like being able to use an IUL or a participating whole life policy as their own personal bank. Like, there's very few other products out there that allow you to do something like that. The protecting and maximizing the present is all about increasing cash flow, right? This gives them the ability to take what they actually make and see it grow. It gives them the ability to not be borrowers anymore, where you don't own your money. Like, a lot of people think they own the money that they have. So they went to the bank and got a loan and they said, you don't own it yet. You don't own it until it's yours. If someone has a mortgage or has a loan, they have a lien against what you have, you don't own it. They own it until you pay it off. And we have the ability to help them actually own what they think they own. That's maximizing the present. So what fill in the blank does a life insurance agent do? Well, you, my friend, as a life insurance agent, you're a guardian of the future. You're a defender of the past, but we're creators of the present. That's what we get to do every single day. That's what I want to get across to my clients, because I'm clear about what I do as a life insurance. I'm a guardian, I'm a protector, and I'm a creator. Go out there, help your clients. I'm excited to be back here with Life Insurance Today. We have a great series coming your way very soon. We're going to be releasing a lot of stuff very quickly over the next little bit. Like I said, I know I was away for 2 months, didn't get a lot out there, but it's coming at you. It's coming at you fast, and I promise you, everything is something that has just helped me grow my business, my agency, my personal business over the last 15 years in this amazing industry that we call life insurance. Glad to be back. Talk to you soon.